Hello, Robbie. One more. Come on, Robbie.
Come on, Robbie. Come on.
Come on. Bottle sign.
Randy.
Want to go to bed? Come on. In your pouch. 1, 2, go. What?
Into bed.
Bottle.
He's looking for it.
Come in. Put your head down. Yeah, it tastes the same as every other day. They always need to taste it first when they get bigger.
Yeah. Where's Randy?
Randy! He never wants to go in. He doesn't want the bottle.
Oh, really? Thinks he's getting too big for it now, does he?
Yep. Randy!
Come on.
There he is! Mr. Big Boy!
Yay!
Do I just close the door? Yeah.
Yep. Find your pouch. We'll use rollies. Okay.
Hey, Stevie. Hey, Stevie.
Come on. Yeah, I know. And you don't want it. Oh. And he's
I'm
a
too
baby.
big for a pouch,
No,
man.
no, they still like it, but he needs to be head fed. Don't ask me why. Yeah. Goyo needs the rest of his bottle if you want to do it. Oh, yeah.
Koyo.